Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. To make your garden inviting during cooler evenings. Fall garden decor helps you embrace Today, we're excited to share 21 stunning hanging plant wall ideas that will elevate your home decor. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious house, these creative plant wall ideas add freshness, color, and personality to any space. Hanging plant walls are not only functional but also serve as beautiful focal points. From modern minimalism to boho chic, these ideas suit every style. Get ready to transform your blank walls into lush, vibrant green masterpieces that bring life and tranquility into your home. Our first idea features a sleek, geometric wall-mounted planter system. Using metal or wooden frames, you can create a contemporary grid for your plants. This design works perfectly in living rooms or entryways, offering a clean, organized look. Choose low-maintenance plants like succulents or pothos for easy care. You can customize the size and shape of the geometric pattern to fit your wall space. This modern approach combines art and nature, making your plant wall both stylish and functional. Next up, consider a bohemian-inspired hanging garden. Use macrame plant hangers in various lengths and patterns to create a layered, relaxed vibe. Combine different types of plants, ferns, trailing vines, and flowering varieties, for diversity. Hang them at different heights for visual interest. Incorporate natural elements like driftwood or woven baskets for a rustic touch. This setup is perfect for adding a cozy, eclectic atmosphere to your living room or balcony, and it's easy to change or expand over time. For a minimalist look, opt for floating shelves with small potted plants. Use sleek, floating wooden or metal shelves to display your favorite greenery. Arrange the plants in a staggered pattern for a modern art-inspired effect. Pick plants with contrasting textures and colors, such as succulents, snake plants, or cacti, to create visual interest. This idea is versatile and ideal for small spaces. Plus, it makes watering and maintenance simple, keeping your home stylish and clutter-free. Another idea is to use vintage or repurposed items as plant containers. Think old ladders, crates, or window frames turned into hanging gardens. Attach small pots or planters to these items and hang them on your wall. This eco-friendly approach adds character and charm, especially in farmhouse or industrial decor styles. Mix and match different containers for an eclectic look, and add trailing plants or flowering varieties for extra color. It's a creative way to showcase your plants while adding a touch of history and personality. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.